This quick tutorial explains how to buy shares of Anheuser-Busch Inbev Sa-ADR, a global brewing company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker BUD, and gives a basic overview of the company and its listing. This content is educational only and not financial advice. Understand the risks before making any investment. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your accounts, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BUD to find Anheuser-Busch Inbev Sa-ADR. Choose the result that matches the NASDAQ listing to ensure you select the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent trading activity. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker BUD to verify you are on the correct page. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details including any fees and execution options before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled for the next session, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once executed, the new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. If you want to follow the same steps, there is a link to eToro in the description.